you for choosing our service.
You're welcome. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to another video here in Bangkok. I am going to be going to Asiatique and exploring the Riverwalk area. So we are taking the BTS Green Line from Thong Lor to Siam. And this is my girlfriend Boyd. She's going to be coming along with me.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, come. You say, I say Siam.
ไอเซสะพานตักสิน บอกว่าไม่ใช่ค่ะไม่ใช่ค่ะไม่ใช่สยามค่ะสะพานตักสิน
Okay, come. So we are changing from the Green Line to the Siloam Line. We are taking the river taxi to Asiatique. Have you been here? Taking the boat before?
ไม่เป็นไรbecause เนี่ย
Okay, she doesn't like taking the boat because her hair is all over the place every time. It's close by. The good thing is that it's nearby, so we don't have to be here for much longer, which I don't mind. Are you tired? It's nice to sit down. There it is, guys. Let's check it out. Look at those big skyscrapers over there.
Asiatique Asiatique สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ Asiatique
That's cool.
Asiatique For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit. โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ ขอบพระคุณที่เลือกใช้บริการ Please mind the gap between the boat and the pier. Thank you for choosing our service.
You're welcome. Thank you. Kapokap. We have made it to Asiatique, so let's explore. We're actually going to be taking photos for Boy because she just graduated, so she gets a lot of photos, right? Look at that ship over there. Yeah, that's a ship. It's pretty unique. It's probably pretty busy because it's such a popular place. And yeah, there's restaurants, there's a lot of food and snacks. So yeah, let's check it out and yeah, hang out with us for the evening. อะไรนะ
คนเยอะมาก
ใช่มาก Yeah, lots of people. Oh, okay, performance.
มันเป็น
So I don't know why there's a lot of people. Do you know why? There's a
เพ
lot
ราะ
of
ว่าเขา
people.
ไปกินอาหารค่ะดินเนอร์ค่ะ
Because why?
ไปดินเนอร์ไงก็ดินเนอร์ไง
English, please.
ไม่ cannot
There's I guess some kind of performance going on. I think. Oh, look at that
มัน
bar.
เป็นบุฟเฟ่ต์มันเป็นบุฟเฟ่
Oh, buffet. Okay. Okay, so there's a buffet. Do you know how much? My share? 900 baht. 900 baht for a buffet.
900 baht to
Yeah. The Crystal Grill House. So there's actually this really delicious. There's this very delicious. Drink first. There's this very delicious orange juice smoothie or slushy. Slushy, I think. And yeah, let's check it out. Okay, here it is. Alright. So these are the orange slushies. They're so delicious. Chop, you like? These are 170 baht. Oh my god. 170, 169. Same thing. So good, right? Okay, now let's go take some photos for Boy. So let's take some pictures. I just finished the photo shoot, and as you see, it is the nighttime. Look how beautiful it looks. Look at the, well, there was a sunset, you can partially see it now. And look at the Ferris wheel over there. Huh? Yeah, so we are going to the market. Have you been to that market before? You like it?
Yes.
Why?
Yum.
Have a lot of food?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of food, so we'll see. And look at that, it's been a while I've rode on one of those, I forgot what it's called. Merry-go-round? What is it called? Name? Name? English name? You remember? Merry-go-round? And yeah, as you see, there's other people doing photo shoots here. Market.
Chicken.
13 again. Look at this, guys. There's this guy who's coming down, and he goes up and he comes back down. It's a scary house, haunted house. Isn't that funny? So that is 300 baht. 300 baht per person. Oh, look how huge this Ferris wheel is. Yeah, Asiatique. Okay. Good. So maybe we'll ride on this. We'll give it a try. Let's see. 500 baht. That's kind of expensive. Mark. Mine? You don't want to?
500 baht.
Scam. That's a little bit of a scam. It's cheaper in America. America, 200 baht. That's disappointing, guys. 500 baht. Shopping? Yeah, 500 baht. That is.
500 baht and everything, yeah. For shopping.
For shopping, that's not expensive. But the Ferris wheel for 500 baht, that is like, I go to the carnival in America and it's like $5. $5. 500 baht is like 16 US dollars. Crazy. In Thailand? No thanks. Alright, so here is the market. Well, this is a food area, but there's also a market, a traditional like market. Ice cream? I heard ice cream. Are you hungry?
ไม่
Not hungry. You just want milk green tea?
yes tomorrow
Oh, okay. You work tomorrow. So there, yeah. Is it safe here? They have restaurants. And I think that's the market. Is that the market? Oh, nice. She's playing a violin. Look at this waterfall. So, I think that's the market. Is this the market? Hot dogs. I think so.
เตรียมชมอีกวันหนึ่งโกดังแพร
Finish? We'll go around.
วันนี้แหละ
Why? Okay, so this is a market. Little smaller than I thought. I mean, there's no food. Well, there's food over there. Okay, so there's more shops over there. So not necessarily a Thai traditional market as I thought. More of shopping for souvenirs. And as you see, there's a little bit of clothing, accessories. There's restaurants, that's for sure. But I thought it was gonna be like more of a Thai market. And there's a bar.
ปิ้งย่างมาก่อน
You can return. Bowl open now? Can't go back. BTS station. Close. There's a giant ship. That's a buffet. And look how busy it is. Wow, it must be very popular. As you can see, this is a vibe here. Asiatique by the river. Tom yum?
ข้าวเหนียวเส้น
Yeah, definitely a cool place to check out over here in Thailand. Something to do. And I think, oh, so Jurassic World is coming to Bangkok in Q2 of 2025. So that's going to be something cool to check out when it's open. So it's close? The boat's close? Okay, so here is ice cream. Oh, really? How? 80 baht. So here is a little market area, I guess. We got some food here. Yeah, this is a cool little neat area. Oh look, there's more food over there. So let's check out this area. There's not too much. Hello guys, it is the next day. I actually just went to get a dental cleaning here at I don't know the name. It's a big condo. I'll put the details in the description. It was $30 US. They did a very good job. So right now I'm gonna walk back to the Aso station. It's kind of loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm gonna walk back to the Aso station. I'm gonna kind of check out the area. So that's that building. Here are the guys. These guys on the side of the street with the little handbook try to sell you tours and whatnot, or a tuk-tuk tour. Typical tourist thing to do. And if it's your first time, it's not a bad idea. I did do it my first time in Thailand. I think I paid like $15 US. So yeah, check it out. Why not? But don't get scammed. Negotiate. I think 15 US is a fair deal. You can maybe even go lower. Yeah, this is the Asiatique area. And there's quite a few cool places to check out. Asiatique station is right over there, and that is Terminal 21. So I'm actually going to take the skywalk instead of taking the big road, crossroad. See the skywalk right there. Takes you all the way to the Asiatique BTS station, and not this video but another video I'm going to show you guys Bangkok, the Bangkok one. It's a brand new mall, almost brand new, and we're gonna go there. I'm gonna go there today to check it out and hang out for the day, and I'll make a video, a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, it's Terminal 21 over there. But yeah, look how huge this area looks. There's just a lot going on. See the M or MRT. Just taking it all in. Look at that. Look how big the city looks from here. All those skyscrapers over there. Interesting.